Pandas, pandas, pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Drop those GMs in the chat. We're getting started here. I guess we did have news today, 8:30, huh? News did kind of come out. It's weird because government shut down, so actually there's no news. But right at 8:30, you do see something happening here. You see something happening here. Quite a strong move up. Ooh, market's about to open. 5 minutes. Second entry long forming. Hard time frames. Pandas. If you watched yesterday's stream, you know we are capable of anything on this channel as long as we get the right movements. As long as we get the right movements, pandas, we are capable of anything. Goodness gracious. That was wild. What a wild day yesterday, right, pandas? Absolutely insane, to be honest. I don't know. It looks like a wedge. It looks like a big trading range. Hard to say what's going to happen here. With that being said, I almost just want to trade micros today because of that. I want to trade micros because of how insanely confusing this is. It just looks like a huge trading range to me. Daily chart, lots of overlapping bars right now. I mean, we're basically closing within this range of this inside bar. Every single bar so far. A, B. No two-legged pullback yet. Pandas, drop those GMs in the chat. We're just getting started here. Pandas. Pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just in the bleed and the Fanta. Credit cards and the scammers. All right, market's about to open, and we are tumbling down to the 20 EMA here on the 2500 tick chart with a sus-looking spike channel. I don't know how to. Yeah, this looks like right spike and channel here, coming off the bottom of the spike and channel, but not sure. Not sure what we're gonna get here. I mean, if it's a trading range, you come right back down to fill the gap right at the open. If it's a trading range, why not? I may trade micros today. I went a little bit on tilt yesterday, so I'm like 50-50. I'm trading micros today. Just trade micros the rest of the day today. Just to regroup. Regroup from yesterday's like crazy price action. It's absolutely insane. Oh, one more minute. Market open. Drop those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas, we're about to get started here. Let's do it. 30 seconds. This could be a full-blown reversal. I probably will take a reversal here. Wedge top, 2500 tick chart, near resistance. Probably take a reversal here. Fail second entry long here. Market's opened.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. 2500. Fail second entry long is what I'm looking for. Not sure here. Fail second entry long is what I'm looking for here. Second entry short forming. 500 tick. Second entry long is good on the 2500 tick chart. Weird. Setting my pause. Maybe approaching yesterday's high. Maybe if we break it, are we really gonna blast through it? I don't know. Feels like I just short here. It's a weird place to take one. Doesn't make sense to me. Okay. Maybe it should make sense next time. Bouncing off the bottom of the channel here. Coming off the fail second just short above the 20 MA. I want to move. Fair enough. Fair enough. Want to move. Fair enough. I guess I should have taken this long. What was I thinking? Halt. Yesterday's high? I don't know. I just feel like it's going to act as resistance, so I'm going to set my pause. I just have no clue. I just have no clue here. I just feel like it's going to act as resistance. Looking at the daily chart, it's just like... I usually take big mamas in these situations, but right now, I don't know. Good trade. If you caught this, I mean, this is a beautiful move, 36-point move. I might have held it to here, though, so I don't know. Second entry long here. Deep pullback on that second entry long. Could be a double top. Could be another entry to go long here. Good looking signal bar. Higher lows, higher highs. Okay. Stay on my pause. This is your original signal bar. This is an inside bar. Crazy, 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 crazy. Something's happening here. Okay. I mean, this breaks up to the upside. Fair enough. I can see it going either way here. Just saying my pause. A little bit confused. Dazed and confused. The second entry long. Okay, my fail here. Okay, reversing down. Could be a double top of some sort. Looking for a new low after this push down. Looking for one more low here before going long. Right, new high was created. We're making higher lows and higher highs still. Right, here's the original high. We broke it. And here's your low. Right, the original low was here. And so you're going higher lows, higher highs. See, when you make a new high, that's when you can say you made a higher low. Langer Schneider putting his third request in. This is great. That means you're doing great on your trading. Congratulations. Getting a third request in, that's like what, at least 24 days of trading. Honestly, if you have no breaks, then there's no reason for them to deny. And if they do tell you, then I guess you'll find out. They'll let you know. Looking for a new low here before making any long trades, if there is one still. OI pattern, higher time frames. It's going completely sideways, right? Very choppy here. I mean, this could blast off. It is what it is. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Top of a trading range. It just seems like it wants to come back down. It just doesn't seem like we are very convicted in either way. So I'm just sitting on my pause here. Yeah, new low wants to be created first before anything. A little bit confused. Austin Hare, good morning. Welcome. We're up 82 cents, Panda. Should I just end the day? Should I just end the day with an 82-cent trade? Okay. New low created here. Now second entry long. But beneath the 20 MA. Coming off the bottom of the channel as well. I don't know. What do we do here? Do we bank on a full-blown reversal, or we're still floating to the upside in this spiking channel? Micro minis today. Let's put the poll up. I should be trading micros. I feel like today's a micro type day. Let's see what you guys are doing. If like the first 4 or 5 bars on the 5-minute chart are basically stuck in the first 5-minute candles range, then I probably just trade micros. Okay, breaking down. But very choppy manner. No clue what's happening here. It looks ugly regardless of what's happening right now. Getting 10-point scalp still. Can't get above the 20 MA. Right, the 5-minute candles is just inside bar. And if you look at the price action, it just looks choppy to me. Right, you got big up, big down, big up. Typically, things like this means trading range. Typically means trading range. So you're near the top of the trading range. You can peak above it, but most likely come back down, fill this gap. I guess what I'm thinking. Very gappy, to be honest. Market still hasn't filled the gap from Sunday. Keep pushing up. Most likely create an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Most likely, but we'll see. Let the candle finish. Tath, good morning. Luis, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. Got that like button. Pandas. Today is the last day for BBM 80% off. Absolute last day. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of it while you still can. 80% off. Last day. I mean, this is just diabolical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 bars overlapping. Market's confused. Confused F. I could try to go short here, but it's an OI pattern. I could try to go short here. It's quite a big risk. I could try to go short here. Oof, that's close. Ooh, feels like entry long here. Actually, it might have been the setup to look for. Lower highs, lower lows now. Slightly in a downtrend at the moment. I was not looking at the 500 tick chart. I was looking at the OI pattern on a 5, and I missed the OK setup in my opinion, but darn. Good enough for what? 10 points at least. 20 points, not bad. I also looking at a fail second entry long on the 2500 tick, which would have been nice. Question is, are we going to come and test the highs now? I don't know. We're kind of running away from it. Still kind of choppy in my opinion. Jeez Louise. Still pretty choppy in my opinion. Okay, break of low could be a push down. Curious. Fails like an entry long. I'm trying it on the 2500. Another inside bar maybe on the 5-minute chart. Jeez Louise.
2500 tick trap.
All right. Decent push up. Another inside bar on the wow, what a move. What a move. 3 bars overlapping on the 5-minute chart. I mean, this just beckons to be micros type day. I'm going to be the responsible panda here today and just actually trade micros because we got the first 3 bars completely overlapping. I mean, unless we get something amazing here. Unless something amazing happens right here. I could try this. It's going to be big risk. That's the problem. Could try. Most likely choppy rather than big reversal here. Probably wants one more push up. That's a strong bull bar. It's hard to trade against that. If it was like a bear bar, I might have considered that, but I don't know. It's getting really sus. It could be a negative EV day today. I just don't know. It seems like a negative EV type day. I feel like I want to go short up here. Feels like I just short triggers. At a peculiar place. Not somewhere I like to go long. Could blast off. Let's see. Finding some momentum. Okay, fair enough. I mean, if I had to create another trading range, if I had to create one, this would be it right here. Right, big down, big up, big down, big up, and lots of overlapping bars. 5-minute showing the same, completely overlapping bars. We have an OIO pattern now, which just means is diabolical. Absolutely diabolical here. Austin here. Mini's trying to pass evals, micros on PA counts. Okay, fair enough. I feel like that's pretty confusing to bounce around. Kind of struggling the last 2 months to be consistent, absolutely, because of how terrible the price action has been. Look at the last 2 months. Like, this is what we've been dealing with. Lots of overlapping bars here. Just lots of overlapping bars. So this is a daily chart. If you have a lot of overlapping bars, it's just gonna be tough. Coming to the top of the trading range. I mean, am I expecting a breakout here? I don't know. We got an OIO pattern. We're pushing to the upside. We're top of a potential trading range. Should I do the crazy thing? Should I do the crazy thing? Let's go short here somewhere. Should I do the crazy? It's just so many overlapping bars. I gotta do the crazy thing, right? I'm gonna try a big risk, small reward type situation here if I can get it. I'm not gonna risk that much here, I don't think. This is Big Mama. It could explode. But the price action tells me otherwise, in my opinion. Price action tells me otherwise, in my opinion. Could lose a little bit here, though. Okay, keeps going up, so it's not good. That's not good for me. It's definitely not good for me if it keeps going up.
Target
I'm
filled.
scared. It keeps trickling to the upside. That's scared me. So scary. Big Mama fails. Should have held it. Darn it! Darn it, pandas! I should have held it. Could have got a scalp at least, right? What is that, 20-point scalp? Solid 19-point scalp. Solid 19-point scalp. Because the price action was telling me this was going to come back down, at least for a scalp. Could not quite get it. Big Mama, second attempt. Probably looking for a reversal here, if anything. Fail second entry long. Maybe kind of go heavy. 2 contracts. But we're bouncing on the top of a trading range, or top of like a serious resistance, and just continuing the terrible price action we've been having this entire month, the last couple months. Second entry long here. I mean, wow. I should have held my short, huh? I should have held my short. I had a decent trade there, actually. Whatever, I'll take this. I mean, I got scared. I got scared. What can I say? Fail second entry long at the 50% mark. Trading range. It's a little too far away from the 20 EMA for my liking. But looks like an obvious test of the bottom here, if we can get it. It doesn't go very far. And when you get a breakout bar like this, no follow through, it's typically a bad sign if you're going short. Right? Typically a bad sign when we have a strong breakout bar and then no follow through. It just means it's diabolical, right? The price action is diabolical right now. That's all that means. You break this high, get stopped out. It might push down again here. 50% mark. Do I like this short here? I could try. It's not my favorite trade, but I could see potential here. So much potential that it doesn't even get me in the trade. Too much potential. I had my trade up, but it didn't trigger. It just went right, sliced right through it. So what can you do about it? Just gotta watch it go. If it comes back up, then it's kind of like, do I really want to be in the trade at that point? Not really. Okay, makes a new low. I mean, I tried to get in, pandas. You saw it. You saw me trying to get in. I couldn't get in. Stop limit orders have been pretty painfully not able to be filled, especially on really good trades. It's kind of like a sign you're actually in a good trade, like you're trying to get into a good trade, because it goes through so quick because so many people are taking that trade that there's not enough liquidity for you to get in with a stop limit order. Typically a good sign, I guess. I mean, it's a good sign because you are reading the charts correctly, but it sucks because obviously you missed the move. So whatever. 4 completely overlapping bars on the 5-minute chart. If I had a mini there, or if I had a micro, I would have been completely fine. I'll be probably haven't made that much more money than I did. Okay, now we're actually maybe making a move here. Solid push to the downside. Just a breakdown right now. I mean, we're in a trading range, so it's kind of hard to just like, let's just go with the breakdown. You typically want a retest of something if we're going down. Maybe a strong bear close on the 5-minute chart beneath the orb. All right, 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4 complete overlapping bars in a row. It's very hard to time these breakouts. Very hard to time the breakouts. Very difficult. Going back into the trading range here. I mean, dare I? Should I? No. Pandas, tell me it's not possible. Tell me I can't just go long here and just be happy. Don't tell me it's not going to be that easy today. It cannot be that easy, can it? Second entry short. Bottom of trading range. It cannot be that easy. Okay. It's breaking down. I thought for a second we're just bouncing back up. Sometimes there's days like that. You literally just keep bouncing back and forth in a trading range for a very long time. Sometimes days are like that. Probably going to make a new low with a push that strong. Probably, but we'll see. Okay, maybe not. Higher low here coming off the bottom trading range. Could be, for some people, a good setup to go long. Could be. Lower high. Maybe. Okay. People still want to go long here. People still trying to go long here. Okay. I mean, is it that easy today? Just buy near the bottom, sell near the top. Five overlapping bars on the 5-minute chart. Looks like it's about to happen. Right, completely overlapping bars on the 5-minute chart. Trading range indicator. Says we have a little more room to go down. Okay. Big push back down. Confusing. With the push down this strong, you're thinking maybe one more leg down, but geez, in the trading range, who knows? In the trading range, who really knows? We could be chopping around here for a while now. Obviously, there's a gap here that needs to be filled on the regular trading hours. So you kind of have a small bearish bias, at least for me, that we're going to break to the downside. Second entry long off this trend line could be an okay trade. Bouncing off the bottom of the trading range. Can't trigger the second pullback here. Bulls are too strong. Bulls are not allowing the second pullback here. There it is. Another inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Sick. It's very sick, actually. Second entry long, but it's happening in a weird way. Doesn't come off any supports. It's going back and forth, back and forth. Most likely lose that second entry long if you took it. Oh, you get so close. You're actually okay still. Amazing. You're still okay. Miraculously still okay in this trade. All right, your stop loss is here. You're miraculously saved by like a tick. Keeps making new highs, so I mean, top of the trading range, I guess. I'm gonna trade with a micro. If we come back to the top of the trading range, I'm gonna short it. What a move. What an incredible move we got here. Thing about this type of day is you gotta trade micros. I'm sorry. You really do. You really have to trade micros here. Okay. Well, if you trade micros, you already made your scalp. Jeez Louise. I mean, dare I? We don't hit the top of the trading range, so it's kind of scary to go long down here, but it kind of makes sense. It's kind of the move. BPCF, anytime it's expanding or wedge, yep. It's actually a good idea to not trade on days like today. Expanding patterns are the worst. As you can see here, we're expanding. Lower highs. Oh, sorry, higher highs and lower lows. That's how you know you're expanding, right? We're making a lower lows here and higher highs here. The best trade I had was actually selling right here. That's actually the best trade. Comes all the way back down. Whoa, golly. It's too apparent that this is a trading range. It's too apparent. There's some bearish pressure here because we didn't quite get to the top of the trading range, yet we're near the bottom again. Failed to reach the top. It may reach the top now, but right now it's hard to go long down here because it potentially could break down now because we missed the top. Like if we come back down here, like it might be hard to go long. Well, I mean, we can go long. I mean, it can go up back here. That's fine, but you're right in the middle. You're not really trading in the middle here. Okay. I mean, that's a pretty good scalp if you went short here. I think you still have credence to go short up here because we didn't quite reach the top. So it wants to still reach the top and then come back to the bottom. Creating another inside bar, right? We're still stuck in the range of the first 5-minute bar. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every single close has been within the range, this range here, the first 5-minute bar. Most likely this one will be too. It just shows we're choppy, and most likely trading range day today. I mean, what can you do? You gotta just watch. There's not much you can do here. It's just one of those days. I wish I was better at trading ranges because of days like today. If you're in the middle, it's very difficult. Middle of the trading range, very difficult. It's very 50-50 in my opinion here. Wow. Just going in and out of the
2500
20
tick trap.
Pretty diabolical. We do have a second entry short on the 2500 tick chart, but I'm not paying any attention to it just because we're so choppy. I'm not sure if it means anything. I mean, this is really like choppy of choppy. Choppy of choppy. You're really better off just watching and just letting this do its own thing. Now it's contracting. Right, expanding, then contracting. Feels like too long. What if you want to trade a breakout? The minimum you need to have is a close outside of the first 5-minute candle. Right, we're still within the first 5-minute candles range. I almost just want to trade like gold instead today. Should we trade gold?
2500 tick trap.
Just buy gold. Just buy. That's what gold's all about. Just buying. Coming off the 20 MA. Just buy, buy, buy. Should I just buy gold here? See what happens. I almost want to trade something else just because this is chopped. Nascraq is chopped today, and I'll come back into it. I come back to it like in 2 hours, see what the status is because this is chopped, completely chopped. We might get a breakdown here. Maybe. Possibly have a breakdown here. Should I be ultra cheeky here? Ultra cheeky. Super ultra cheeky here. Just buy the micro. Can't even get down to it. It really is just gonna bounce back and forth for a long time, it seems like. It really is. Look at the 5 minute. Like, we have completely overlapping bars. It's kind of funny. It's kind of nice. Seems like there's some sort of order here. Seems like, at least. Trading range days are the best if you have infinite capital. If you have infinite capital, trading range days are actually the best days. You could really never lose money. Infinite capital, you can like be red, pretty red, if you like keep trying to go short on like the super ultra bull trend. But trading range days, just almost could never lose money. Wowzers. I mean, should I? Shouldn't I? I should be going short up here, no? Let's go short. Just go short somewhere up here. Dare I? Dare I? Dare I? Just go short? I mean, this is diabolical. That's a lot of overlapping bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. It's just really not reaching the levels that I will like it to reach for me to buy or sell. Like, I want to sell it like up here, but it's not really quite getting there. It's kind of stopped me short.
2,500 tick
And because
trap.
it's not really reaching the top of the trading range, I'm like scared to buy at the bottom of the trading range. Because we're losing bullish, right? It's more bearish pressure here. I think we're doing the right thing sitting on our pause. We're doing the right thing today. We're doing the most positive EV thing today, which is to sit on our pause on days like today. Very difficult to time any movements here.
Five-minute trap.
Okay. It really is doing the thing. That's funny. This is funny to me. Like, how choppy can you be? This is literally the definition of chop. Like, you can't get choppier than that. Every single close has been within the first 5 minute candle. What are we waiting for here? What are we waiting for here? This is ridiculous. Gold. 2 bull bars on gold. Should I just buy here? On gold? With 2 bull bars in a row? Breaking above?
5-minute trap.
Let's just see what happens with gold here. 2 bull bars in a row. Hopefully kind of always in long price action here. We'll see. That'd be great. That would be wonderful. If you break this high, that'd be nice. If you could break that high, that'd be nice. Gold is just ripping here. Okay, broke the high. You know what? I'll
Target
take that
filled.
I'll take that 200, a little scalp. Barely risk anything on that trade. I'll take that gold trade. Well, while we wait for like basically nothing happening here. MBT, this is micro Bitcoin. I bet you didn't know you can trade Bitcoin on Apex. I bet you didn't know that, but you can. All right, failing to reach the top of the trading range again can be a sign that we're going to break to the downside pretty hard here. But it's so trading rangey, like I actually don't expect it to go too far. Could have held my gold trade, maybe a little bit longer. Maybe I should just came out break even if I had to and let it see how high I can go. Could be always in long on the gold. I'll take my 200 scalp, whatever. Okay. Will this be the first close on the 5-minute chart outside of the opening range? The orb. The first 5-minute orb. Or the 5-minute orb. You know, just say first because it's the opening. Okay. Pushing down pretty hard. This could be a breakdown. Let's see. These are always very tricky. Breaking down hard here. Gold is flying. I just don't feel confident. I don't feel confident. I feel like the trading range has been so strong. Like I almost want to buy here, but to be fair, if we get solid bear close underneath like all of this, then I mean look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Coming right back up. Right when we break this low, people scalped it. This is a nice scalp right there. Very nice scalp. Probably almost 20-point scalp. 20-point scalp if we timed it correctly. I almost want to go long now, but the thing is you got to buy low, sell high scalp, and creating a wedge like this, right? 3 pushes down. Okay, another push to the downside. This is a strong push to the downside here. Coming right back to this level, right? Taking anyone out break even if they try to take their risk off, you're out break even now. And it pushes back up. Super frustrating. But how many times have we seen that? Like time and time and time and time and time again. So maybe the higher low worth taking here, but it's risky. It's definitely risky. Feels like I just short is a better setup. Feels like I just short is definitely a better setup in this situation. Okay, the higher low, pretty good. And the 5-minute. We failed to close outside of the orb. we failed to close outside of it, so I don't know. It feels like entry short could be an okay trade here. Knowing that we failed to close outside the good try. It's probably my best setup for the day. Reverses immediately. Reverses immediately here. I don't like that. Yikes. It's dirty. It's dirty though. It's working out, but that was dirty. The moment it triggered, it just reversed right away. That always scares me. But it's a good setup. Bottom of the trading range. Feels like I just short. It's a decent setup, right? You get a solid, probably 20 points here if you can get up to here. 20 points right in the middle of the trading range. It's probably the best setup I've seen. It just raced up so quickly. I couldn't get my order ready, and then the moment it triggered, it just reversed a little bit, and I was like, oh, that's scary. I don't want that to happen. And it ended up blasting up to the upside, so it's just tricky. Just very tricky. What's gold at? I could have held my gold, doubled. I took out my profits a little too early, but look at this. Now it's selling. Always in short, which is not good. MBT almost broke yesterday's low here. This looks very bearish. When you see something like this is very bearish in my opinion, right? Like you're basically coming here and you're going to like, it's a cup and inverse cup and handle, but it just shows you, right? Like you couldn't quite get up, and then before you could even get to the highs, the bears just come rushing in, and it's usually around halfway mark, because that's where the break even is for those who scaled in as bulls. It ends up being a nice move to the upside here. I mean, the logical thing to do is to sell, right, pandas? Like, that's the logical thing to do here. Sell. I may try here. I might try to do something here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we break the bottom here. We break the low here. I might try something here. This is a micro, so it's not gonna be killer if this goes against me. It's a micro here. Jeez Louise. Okay, I didn't make anything out of that. Whatever. I feel like this is gonna break down. The market's absolutely wild. Everything's a little bit crazy right now. Always in long, but then turn always in short right here all of a sudden. It's kind of scary. I think gold is gonna fly today. I don't see what's stopping this. I don't see what's stopping gold today. Top of the trading range. All right. I mean, the logical thing to do, pandas, is to sell near the top. Like, isn't that not the logical thing to do? Like, is that not the thing I should? People already scalped out here. People sold at the top of this bar, and they scalped out already a solid 10 points. 20 points, maybe. Yep, they scalped out 20 points immediately. I gotta change this. This is my trading range is wrong. It's actually here, which is kind of crazy, but I'm gonna say it's like basically right here. My trading range was a little too high. I was trying to compensate for these overshoots here. Whew. Jeez Louise. They already scalped out, so this can come right back up, and you don't want to try to scalp it again, because Now the weak bulls are out. The strong bulls are still in. Does close beneath here. Okay, gold, a little weaker. Looks like it's gonna break the previous candle's low here. I'm jumping around everywhere, but I'm just trying to find any opportunity right now. There's not much opportunity in the Nascraq, in my opinion. Second entry long here, but top of a trading range, so it's a bit silly to take. Jason Wieringa, oh my gosh. An OG has just joined the chat. Panda, scalp that like button. Train's been good. I've had my best year so far. Not sure what's happening here. I'm just not sure, pandas. I'm gonna take Big Mama. I'm gonna try. Whatever. Don't get mad at me. I'm gonna try Big Mama here. Probably dumbest trade of the day. Dumbest trade of the day coming up. Get ready. Big Mama. On a most massive trading range day ever. Dumbest trade to take in world history. Get ready. Wow. Wow. Forget about it. Should just be going short here, no? All eyes on shorts. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Golly. Second entry long. Could be something if it breaks out here, but from the trading range that I've seen so far, this is not going to be pretty. I'll try this because I think that makes the most sense to me. Okay. Never mind. It didn't trigger. I tried to time it, but it snapped down at the very end, and it triggered me early. I was trying to get the break of the low of this bar, but it triggered me too early. All my gains are gone in one stupid timing thing. It's so hard to time that. Whatever. Now we're clearly above the 20 MA here. That's annoying. It's been happening to me a lot these days, the timing thing. Now it triggers the low, but now we're too high. We're above, we're breaking out now. I'm gonna try this. Let's try to be a little cheeky here. I failed reversal. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know about that. Okay. It's not a failed reversal, it's actually a delicious, successful reversal. Golly, I got in weights. I got in one. Ah, man, it's so frustrating. That's why I hate days like today. I'll be right back. All right, let's try. Risk is not too large here. Second just short. Big push down. Oof. Forget about it. Man, this is confusing. Just watching. Kellyanne in the house. Welcome, Kellyanne. Good morning. Thanks for joining. Kellyanne's been making some moves in the YouTube space. If you haven't followed her, follow her already. You gotta follow her. I'm a follower. She covers a lot of scandals, which is like really nice because you kind of know, like, all right, which prop firms are being sketchy, which not. I think she's blacklisted from Apex though, rightly so because she's calling them out. She's calling them out, and you know, Apex doesn't want, you know, someone like Kellyanne to like come in and expose them for what they are. I could try, but this is a dumb trade in my opinion. Try a big mama trade, but obviously trading range, so I don't know what the point of this would be. I should be going short here. I should just go short right here. Just see what happens. Solid 8-point scalp already. It doesn't make sense to go long here unless you're really trying to, unless you're like praying for a breakout. Lower high here. I don't know. Gold breaks this high. Good. Higher highs, higher lows. MBT. I thought this was going to crash once it broke this low, but still wanting there. Lower high. I don't know, man. This is tricky. Just trade a trend line break. It to be closed beneath the trend line, just sell. Look how wacky this is. Wacky price action right here. I could try, but it's a really silly trade. Really silly trade. I'm like gonna be shooting for the stars. It's such a rock solid trading range. Rock solid trading range. I mean, just keep scaling in and going short. And like eventually, you at least come up break even, in my opinion. Ah. It hurts. It hurts to think about going long here. I don't know. You probably get like a little scalp, but is it worth it? Is the question. It's the first close outside of the orb. First close outside the orb here. All right. Thoughts and prayers. A little spike to the upside here if we can get it. Let's see if we get something nice. Cannot get much higher than that. I'm out break even if it can't get much higher than this. I'm out break even. We can't get much higher than this. First reversal, I'm out. First reversal. Give me some more. I'll take it. Oh, I'll take that.
Target filled.
I'll take that. Easy peasy. I'm expecting a full-blown reversal here now. I don't know. I mean, I guess we're pretty bullish. We still haven't touched a 20 EMA, but super choppy in the trading range. Only reason why I even considered taking that trade because it's the first close outside of the 5-minute orb, right? Like we have a close out here. We actually have a close and we broke the top. Only reason why I even considered it. How many points did I get? 18-point trade. A little more than 18. 19-point trade. I'll take it. It's not bad. Not too shabby. On a day like today, not too shabby. I should just end it, right? I should end it right here. I should end it right here because are we going to get much more than that today? I don't know. Jason Wierenga with his old school jokes. Panda walks at the bar and the bartender says, "Let's go, baby." Higher? You can go higher. I could have held that. Could have held it. Strong bull bars here. Gold. What's gold up to? I mean, maybe we're just flying high. The ES could not even close the gap, and it was like ticks away. EMINI couldn't fill the gap. It was ticks away as well. Jeez. Talk about diabolical. Keeps going up. What can I say? Tough though, tough. Still a tough day of trading. I think this can still crash. The trading range has been too strong in my opinion. This is too strong. And a lot of two-sided trading. I think we're going to come back down. I'm not expecting this to really do much, in my opinion. That's just in my opinion. In fact, I'll probably take a fail second entry long. Forget it. Second entry long. It's a prerequisite, what you need before a fail second entry long. Look at this candle, it's so small. I really don't think we're going to go very far from here. I should just be trading micros. Maybe I'll jump to micros now, assuming we're going to just come back down. Maybe I'll jump to micros. It's a safe bet at this point. Jason, until next time, I hope you're doing well. I hope your trading journey's been going well. I have no idea if you're still trading. Like, I love the fact that like some people, they leave and they come back. Because I know when that happens, there's a lot of clarity that happens. When you leave for something and come back to it, you're like, whoa, like, I should have done this a long time ago type thing. So I should like it when people like leave and come back because it kind of shows like deep inside they have the motivation to really want to trade, but they just
2500
get burned
trap.
out or they're just missing something. And when they come back, usually, right, it's amazing because your brain is working still. Your brain is still thinking subconsciously about things. And I can't tell you how many times that like I think of about a problem
2500 tick
I
trap.
find out the answer after I take a good night's rest, and then the answer comes to me afterwards. I don't know if that's ever happened to you guys, but I think it's just proof that your brain is just always thinking, always thinking. So we got two bull bars now. Are they pretty? Not really. Are they pretty bars? Not really. What's gold up to? Ooh, gold is kind of getting choppy here. I mean, it was already choppy here. Choppy here now, right? When you have this low and the high here like this, it's very tricky. Man, MBT is making a bounce, making a recovery. I really thought we were going to reverse. I thought we were going to crash. I really thought so, but... Okay, pushing up still. Higher highs, higher lows. It feels like it's breaking out. I don't know. I guess all-time highs. Here we come. Forget about it. Forget about this, you know, this one-day 3% drop. Like, zero follow-through. Golly, I hate when I do that. Literally zero follow-through on this bear bar ending near its low. Sick. All right, we're floating up. We do not go short against this type of market. So even though all common sense tells us to go short because we're top of a potential trading range, this is not something. Man, if I held my big mama here, that would have been insane. But really low likelihood this was going to happen because of the nastiest trading range I've seen in a while. But we're breaking out of it now. Strong, two strong bull bars. Always in long starting from this candle. Golly. What's my gold up to? Gold, I may be a buyer after 20 EMA. MBT is flying high because the Nascraq is flying high now. The EMINI could not test, could not close the gap. Lots of silly things happening today. We're up $743. Still quite far away from payout city. I need to get up to 5K. My counts kind of took a hit yesterday. They were actually pretty good yesterday. I got my counts up plus 800-ish. I got them to plus 800 after like a negative $3,000 day. I got them all the way back up to positive 300 or 800. And then I took two sloppy trades and got crushed. Got crushed. Crushed like a bug. I don't know. Am I a buyer here off the 20 EMA? It's trickling upwards. It's kind of hard to jump in at this point anywhere. I think I'm stuck. I'm not in this trade here. I mean, this is an exhaustive move up. Always in long, but this bar here is an exhaustive move. I don't know. This is the beginning of a strong bull trend, or are we exhausted here? It's tough for me to say. I mean, is this silly? Is this silly? Let me just see if there's any follow-through. No reason to rush here. See if there's follow-through on the strong bull bar. I think that would tell me a lot here. If there's follow-through on the strong bull bar here, then we could be seeing a lot higher. If there's no follow-through, then more likely it's exhausted.
2,500 tick trap.
Curious to see if we get follow-through. Second entry long maybe forming here. Second entry long forming here. Almost. Doesn't actually trigger. And there's follow-through, okay. Breaks the high. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? How many points did I get here? Almost 20 points, right? Got 18 points off that scalp. Not too shabby. 18 points, not too shabby. Trading rangey type situation right now. Not much follow through. Not much follow through.
2500 tick trap.
Too early to tell though. Let's see. Wow. All right. We are pushing down. Interesting. No, not much follow through, pandas. Not much follow through on that big push up. Could be exhausted. Because we've been in such a strong trading range earlier, I feel like the market it's going to continue to range. That range is nasty. The beginning range, when you have that many overlapping bars, something is up, Panda. Something is definitely up. Wow, no follow through whatsoever on that strong bull bar. I was just trying to go short there too, but obviously kind of scary to go short against this breakout bar. But right, when you have price action that looks like this, that's like final confirmation that we're going to be in trading range, because when you got a strong bull bar, no follow through, that is like one of the biggest signs that you're going to continue to trading range. That is like one of the biggest signs, one of the biggest red flags, in my opinion. That means we're looking for a fail second entry. We're already beneath the 20 MA here. What's gold up to? Hello, bounce off the 20 MA. That was a trade I was thinking about. But I will see my I need more wow, same thing on Bitcoin here. Same thing happening. I think I need like I need more monitors. I need to have more charts up. Cuz I want to have gold up if I want to trade gold. I can't just keep switching to it. It's too hard to pay attention. Look at this push down. No follow through on this bar means it's exhausted. Potential to come really strong back down. EMINI as well. Like, that is not a good sign for bulls. When you have such a strong bull bar and it gets reversed, literally gets folded. Same power going up, same power going down. Shows confusion. Shows trading range price action. Fail second entry long. If I get it, I'll try. I don't know if I'll get it here though. It looks like it's going to keep going down. I could try here. It's silly because it's far away from 20 MA. It's a bit silly far away from 20 MA here. Bad signal bar as well. Really bad signal bar. Golly, I missed it. Missed the move, I think. Second to short. Second to short. Give me second to short, I'll try. Second to short, I'll try. No, second short given. Does not give me the second to short. Or will it? So many times it does do this. So many times it does take out this stop here on the trap before finally making the move down. So many times it's done that. Will it do it for me today so I can get in that second short? There it is. I think we'll try here. I think we'll try. It's not the prettiest, but we'll try. We're in this trade. Am I going to get hit here? I wouldn't be surprised if I did. Ooh, hello. Break the low. Break the low.
Target
I
filled.
love it. I'll take it. Easy peasy. Oh, I should have held. I should have held like a fool. I didn't hold. Second entry short. Good. Golly. Goodness gracious. I was a little afraid it was going to bounce off the 20 MA on the 2500 tick chart. I was afraid it was going to do that. That's why I kind of just took it out there. But what a good short if I held. Jeez Louise. Like I said, because of how strong the trading range was earlier, I just did not think this was going to go much further. And you can see with no follow through here, that is a huge sign to say that we are continuing some sort of range here. I'm going to try this, pandas. Let's see if I can get a little move up here with gold. Coming off the 20 EMA here. Nice little push up if I can get it. Thinking trading range up here as well.
Target filled.
I'm scared. It's moving too slow for me. MBT crashing. We're up 1200. I love it. I love to be up 2K today. I love to be up 2K today. I would love it. Another second entry short, pandas. Do we take another one? Dare we? If we get it set up, do we take another second entry short here? Could have got a little bit more from gold. Wow, we don't get it. We don't get the setup. It's going to keep crashing. We don't even get the setup. It's all first entries now. And this might seem weird, but this could be a strong downtrend now until we get to the bottom of the trading range. Like the 5 minute kind of tells us the trading range is still here. We haven't tested the 20 EMA yet. We're far away from it. We have plenty of room to go down. We have a gap beneath. The E-mini has a gap to fill as well. I don't know, pandas. This is not sure what's going to happen here. It's very confusing. Along the way, there could be deep pullbacks. It's very hard, pandas. I don't think I lose too much here, to be honest. I don't think I left too much on the table there, right? If I did anything, my stop loss would have been right here. I actually probably gained a little bit. Gold. I was thinking about it, holding that, but I don't know. Solid $600 trade here if I could have held it to the top of the trading range. Okay, balancing out the 20 EMA now, but sloppy fashion. Day trader, good morning, welcome. We're up 1200. Just very, very methodically trading today. Very, very methodical trading. Okay, high or low here? Second to short. Could be a new trading range forming up here now. Could be diabolical, something like that. Right, this is trading range price action started from here. Breakout, new low. Right, trading range actually starts right here. Fails to break beneath the previous candle's low to trigger the second to short to get the trap trade to the fail second to short, but it could be a trading range up here, possibly big up, big down. Second to short forming here. Maybe not. Okay, pushing up. Trading range possibly here now. Tough, really tough to figure out the timing of these things, and really tough for me. Tough to know where the trading ranges are as well. Feels like I'm just short, not interested in this at all. Yeah. Probably new low. Looking for a new low here, in my opinion. Big push down. Yeah, looking for a new low, I think. We'll see, though. We'll see if trading range develops here, but it looks like new low is going to be created, in my opinion. Let's see, though. Let's see. Let's wait. Wait and see. Okay. Interesting. New low. Like I said. New low created. Trading range can develop here at this point. If we push above, it may go long, but this looks like a right head and shoulders, inverse cup and handle type sitch. Golly. The market is confusing, I'll tell you that much. Feels like entry long, but already made a new low, so I'm not interested in this short. Breakdown bar. No follow through. Let's see. Too early to say. Could have follow through now. Waiting. No follow through on the breakout bar. That's diabolical right there. It's really diabolical. Right, when you get strong breakout bars, no follow through. Usually a bad sign if you're in that trade. Now we're getting some follow through, maybe. Fails like entry long on the 2500 tick chart could be a really big trade because this is going to come back into this massive trading range we had all day. The fails like entry long here could be a really strong move back to the downside and possibly just continue to go down. This fails like entry long is, I'm probably going to wait for it. We'll see though. Gold just doing its thing. Bitcoin dropping like a rock. Like a rock. Hooey. I don't know. Let's see. Just waiting. New low. Looks like it wants a new low. Second entry short. I think I gotta wait for the fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. This second entry short is sus. Lower highs, lower lows. Whoa, are we gonna get it? Second entry short. It's tempting. It's really tempting. It's tempting, but I'm going to skip it. It does trigger the second entry short. Skip. Too choppy, right? Like 7, 8, 9, 10 overlapping bars in a row. We're going to try. Thoughts and prayers. Hasn't triggered yet. Hasn't triggered yet. We wait. We wait. We wait patiently. Ever so patiently, we wait. Three more candles. What? Okay. It may run away from us, and that's fine. That means we just don't get her set up. It may run away from us, but that's fine. We just don't get her set up. Okay. We hold. Second to short. Am I being really impatient here? I could be. Could be getting really impatient here in this trade.
Target filled.
Whoa! Whoa! It filled way too quick for me! Golly, it filled too quick for me! What just happened? It filled way too quick for me. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Just waiting and still, I don't know. I could just go short again here. I could just go short again here. Interesting. Again.
5-minute trap.
Up. Gold just chilling. In the middle of the trading range. Big push up. Jeez, golly. Whoa. This is really wacky. This is serious whack attack. This is a serious whack attack right now. This is crazy. It's a whack attack. I mean, we're just continuing to do the same. Just absolutely diabolical price action. Crazy overlapping bars. I'm just sitting on my pause here. I don't know what's happening. Good chance this breaks to the downside. At least for a little bit. Yep, there it is. Good chance it breaks to the downside. Wow. What a push. MBT. Gold now flying. Jeez, I thought we were going to make a second entry long. That's why I was waiting for it. Never got it. Okay. Another trap that is Overextended trap here. Looks like it's gonna fail. Yep, you lose that trade. 5 minute, creating a second entry long off the 20 EMA now. What's the E-mini up to? Second entry long as well here. What is going on? Tate, welcome. Day Trader says, today it seems that each time I place a stop, it gets hit, so I stops, and now I'm green. Hey, that's trading range days. That's literally the definition of trading range days. Everything opposite. Wow, second entry long forming, but do I like it? This is tough. I mean, completely overlapping bars. I don't know what to make of it. To be honest, I don't know what to make of this. We're at 1,400 though. I'll take it. My accounts are all over the place right now, which is crazy. My lowest account to my highest account, such a big disparity. What's my lowest account? My lowest account, let me just do it like this. My lowest account is 3,556, and my highest account is 4,832. It's over $1,000 difference between my highest account and my lowest account. That's silly. Second entry long does trigger. Yikes. I don't know what to make of this. This is wacky. I just don't think we're breaking out. I don't know, pandas. I just really don't know what to do here. This is very confusing. It just seems like so much chop. Like so much chop here. I don't know if I want to really trade a breakout here. I don't think I will. I'm just let it do its own thing. Gold is flying now. Jeez Louise, missed the move. Expanding pattern on gold, right? Lower highs or higher highs, lower lows. Very confusing to trade. MBT just doing nothing actually. It's just frozen in time. Stupid. Fail second entry. Short. Good looking signal bar. I could try this, but it's just very counter to what the price action is today, right? The market cycle today is not in favor of this breakout, in my opinion. The market cycle today is not in favor of this breakout, but I could be wrong. Market cycle seems more trading rangey. I mean, we could be in a trading range. I just don't know where it is. Let's see. Like maybe we create another trading range here. Let me get rid of some of these lines. Too much noise. Like we could create another trading range. I don't know. Here. Who knows? Maybe something like this. I just don't know if I'm in favor of this though. Strong bull bar ending near its high on the 5-minute chart. Does it mean much? I don't know. Gold, right? Strong bull bar, but no follow through. Okay, the trap looks like it's about to fail.
$2,500 tick trap.
This might be my trading range here, actually. But dips so far beneath. I don't know. This is tough to say. Golly. Should I do something cheeky? Should I? Strong bull bar ending on its high. It's like a nice signal bar to break out here. Where is my trading range is the question. We're breaking out here. I mean, somewhat bullish on the 5-minute chart, just bouncing off the 20 May of the second entry long like that. I don't know. This is tough. Double top here. I'm happy with my gains. Like, maybe I should just end the day because this is diabolical. Like, I'm happy with my gains right now. I'm really happy with my gains. I would love if all my accounts were above 4K, but I would need to make about 500 more, basically ending on a $2,000 day today. Can I end on a $2,000 day today? It's a tough one. To be honest, I do not know. Second entry long here. Like, it feels like we're in a trading range. I just don't know where it is. Okay. It's very confusing. No clue. Just watching. Golly, look how disgusting this is. Creating an inside bar on 500 tick chart is just diabolical. Inside bar on the 500 tick chart is diabolical, in my opinion.
Five-minute trap.
Double top. What is going on? I have no clue. Gold. Wow. Pause bar. Are we breaking out here? Should I? Top of the expanding pattern. Silly, right? To go long there? Isn't it silly to go long here? I think I gotta go short here on Bitcoin. I'm gonna try to go short here on Bitcoin. Pushing down. I guess this is my trading range. Try to go short on Bitcoin here. Thinking new low on Bitcoin. thoughts and prayers here. I think we have enough to get to the bottom of the trading range here, but truly diabolical. Ah, this is tough. Okay. So tough, so tough, so incredibly hard. I have no idea. I'm like happy with my gains. Maybe I should just end the day. I'm actually really happy with my gains here. Pretty good. Okay. Okay. Really tough to say. Really tough for me to pick a direction here. Incredible. Looks bearish. Looks bearish. Lower highs, lower lows being created here. Oh, golly. This is tough. Is it tough? Should I just gone long right here? Just treat everything as a resistance and support. 10-point scalps everywhere. 10-point scalps everywhere. I'm going to have the worst timing here. If I go short here, I know it's going to break out. Okay. I should just go long here, shouldn't I? Whoa. Okay. It doesn't make sense, pandas, but I'm gonna try anyways. I should go long here. Near the bottom of the trading range. I should be going long. BT, gold. I'm gonna go long gold here. Thoughts and prayers. I don't think anything's stopping gold right now. I don't think anything's stopping gold right now. We break this low. Trading range is so strong here. Are we finally breaking down is a question. Always in short on the 5-minute chart. If this flies back up, that's just the kind of day we're having. If this flies all the way back up, it's just the kind of day we're having. If this flies all the way back up, it's just the kind of day we're having, right, man? It's like, there's not much I can do. Golly. Let's try something silly here. Okay, never mind. Nothing silly will be done. Ooh. Push down. Big strong push down. Wow. EMINI gonna try to fill the gap now, I think. Strong bear bar, no follow through. So sick. Sickening. Ooh. Here we go. MBT crashing again. I'm just gonna try. Always in short on the 2500 tick. Takes me out break even. All good. That's why they pushed down where I wanted to go. Man, another strong bear bar here. I might just go short. Gold, not doing much. Pushing down hard. I gotta go short here, I think, on E-mini. I gotta go short on the E-mini, I think. I'm copied on the E-mini, right? Pretty sure I am. Yes, I have it. Okay. I gotta just go short here, right? I just gotta go short on the E-mini somewhere. In my opinion, I just gotta go short anywhere. How deep's the pullback gonna be? I mean, I'm thinking we're gonna fill the gap on the E-mini. I just don't know how deep the pullback's gonna be here. Zero risk on that trade, whatever. E-mini gonna stop me out, break even. Hopefully not. Let the candle finish. Shall we? Always in long, always in short, hopefully.
2500 tick trap.
I mean, filling the gap makes sense right here, right? I gotta hold this. Filling the gap makes so much sense here. I gotta try.
Target filled.
All right, makes sense. Got it.
2500 tick trap.
All right, gap filled on the E-mini. Just gotta try. Gold flying yet? Nope, gold is ranging now. NBT dropping like a rock. It's just gone short here on this bear bar. Too focused on so many charts. Now, the 5-minute on the Nascraq. Can we get there? Always in short. 3 bars. Always short here, always in short here, always in short here. I could just try, but again, strong trading range day. We can have a straight up bear bar and no follow through. It can happen easily and never fill the gap. Potential trading range back to the bottom of trading range here could be possible. Just could be a wacky day today. Are all my accounts above 4K? I got 2 accounts under 4K still. I like all my accounts above 4K. That'd be great. Things like today, you can have crazy reversals. I don't know if I really want to continue this downtrend. Could really just be just reverse all the way back up. Notice, pandas, we're still in this trading range, right? The magnetic force of this trading range. Crazy, 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 crazy. Gold just chilling up here, floating in mid-airs. MBT. Do I want to fail second entry short here? Maybe. Maybe. Probably not, but maybe. I mean, we fill the gap on the E-mini, so not much. There's no unfinished business on the E-mini. We do fill the weekly gap on the E-mini here. I didn't realize that. Push down. Second entry short, but the first leg is above the 28 minutes. It's a little bit wacky. I don't know what to do here. I like all my counts above 4K. So that means I need to like... Second just short here. Could just be a super strong reversal. Just people buying off this bottom of this pivot here. Like the trading range on the 2500 tick chart's perfect. It's too perfect, actually. People already scalped out like crazy right there. Market's loving this area. Fail second to short could be a nice move up. It's a little far away from 20 MA, right? It's an overextended gap or trap. Not interested in that. Golly, look at this. Look at gold right now. It's absolutely insane. A Y pattern. Okay. BBCF. Trump tweeting in the middle of his conversation. That's like etiquette 101. Don't tweet in the middle of your conversation about the conversation you're having. Isn't that etiquette 101? No? It's Trump. Trumpisms. Okay. Okay. Not sure if this means anything, but okay. Well, I'm going to try here with gold. Isn't it silly to try OI pattern here? Ah, I'm scared. Too many overlapping bars. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row. I don't know what to do here, Pandas. Slowly floating up. If we could have a second entry long, I may try. Second entry long, I mean, it coincides with the trading range as well. The question is, are we going to get our setup, or is it going to grind slowly up? So we reset our, yep, grind slowly upwards so we don't get our setup. Wacky. People just buying the low here. People selling the high here. I don't have a setup. I don't have an idea. I don't even have an idea right now. No idea. Wouldn't it be funny if you're like having a conversation in like with your spouse and you're tweeting the status of it? It's like, oh, this conversation I'm having with my wife, it's very boring. She's complaining about the same thing again and again and again, and like everyone can see it, even she can see it. Someone should make a video like that. Gold closes above this pivot high. I may just buy. If it closes above here, I may buy. Coming off our trend line in sloppy fashion, but it is coming off our trend line. I mean, if gold closes above this pivot high, I'm buying. I'm a buyer. Got 23 seconds to get above there, gold. You can do it, I believe. I believe. Can't get there. It's another inside bar. Or outside down. Or outside up. I think my best trade is to go short on Bitcoin, to be honest. This is my best trade. Just go short here. Is that not my best trade? Just go short here
trap.
on Bitcoin? This is not my best trade. I don't know. New low, maybe? Strong bear bars getting down to it. Very strong bear bars getting down to it. Yep, Bitcoin's falling like a rock. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bear bars in a row. In spectacular fashion, people are buying the pivot lows. They just buying down here. Trying to scalp out, I guess.
Target filled.
I don't like what I was seeing there. I didn't like the wiggles. Made a little bamboo, but I didn't like the wiggles. It almost makes sense to buy this bar. It's actually insane to think about, but it almost makes sense to buy this bar because of how choppy we've been. Just keep buying when you get low. Like I said, I didn't like the wiggles. I didn't like the wiggles at all. Whoa, look at Bitcoin. Like I said, the best trade idea was just to go short right here. Like, was that not the best trade to take? Golly. Gold is just completely overlapping. You gotta stay away from gold for now. I can't even go short here. I'm sorry. I cannot even go short here. Anything could happen. The market's wild. But best trade right there was Bitcoin. Going short on Bitcoin. Second to short here. I don't love it. It's okay trade. But notice possible trading range here. Okay, makes a new low. Probably looking for a new low now. Fortunately, I just gotta go short now. So bad. Such bad timing right now. Such bad time to try to go short right here. Because of trading range. Obvious trading range price action. So hard to go short here. I'm not going to even do it. I don't even care. My gains are so good. I don't think it's worth risking for anything in this situation. It doesn't even look pretty. I'll try here though. Golly.
$2,500 tick trap.
Some wacky price action, I'll tell you that much. Wacky. I'm telling you, this is wacky.
$2,500 tick trap.
It's like a wall right here. All right, I'm sold. Here we go. Or that. Truly near impossible to trade. Truly near impossible to
2500 tick trap.
Could be a deep pullback here, I don't know. This is wacky, pandas. Like, this is very scary stuff. Like, thoughts and prayers. Those who are actively in this right now. This is crazy. Gold create another OI pattern here. Substance Tech Abuse says, have you heard of the TBD Pro accounts having a 50 trade max? I have not, but that sounds terrible. What is a 50 trade max? Who would create such a thing? I just want one more scalp. I think I'm happy with that, but I'm not sure if I can get it. It's so confusing. I tell you, this market is very confusing. This could zoom up to the top of the trading range now. Why not? Fails like entry short could be a good trade here. This could be a pivot, bouncing off this pivot. This could be trading range here. Really hard to tell. Golly. Failed trap here. I'll think about going short. This will get a full-blown reversal. What in the world? We're just watching. We're just watching this debacle unfold. Ah, there's gold. OI pattern breaking to the upside. Finally move on gold.
2500 tick trap.
Bitcoin not doing much. Yeah, ChatGPT is not reliable. Okay. Okay. Golly, do I just buy gold? The moment this bar closes, do I just buy it? Expanding pattern. Trading range. That's all that means. Trading range here. I'm stressed. I'm stressed I haven't even taken a trade. Very stressed out of this market. Very stressful. This market is very stressful. It's like I'm trying to jump on a train going at max speed. I'm just trying to figure out the timing of it. I almost just want to sell Bitcoin. If we get another red bar, I might just sell it. Very stressful to trade this. Give me a bear bar, I'm selling it. No bear bar. Bear bar I would have sold. Gold. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Small pullback. Nah, not worth. It's too choppy. Golly, what is this? Trading range, obviously. Right? Lower lows and higher highs. Creating a diabolical price action at the moment. All day it's been like this. Eventually I do want to buy gold again. Don't know when. I need like micro gold futures. Is there such thing as MGC? Is there such thing as MGC, pandas? Is there an MGC? There is an MGC. Maybe I'll trade the MGC instead. The gold futures themselves are a little bit scary. The minis, at least. It's a dumb trade, but here I go. I don't like the outside bar reversal, but probably going to push down hard. Is this even a good idea? Bottom expanding pattern just happens to be so impossible to trade this. It's actually impossible. It's crazy. Actually crazy to trade this. Takes you out break even. Then goes the way you want it to go. Is that not the story? the most consistent story when it comes to trading. Lost a trade in a while. Might be the first I lose in a while. No reason to expand this. Just take the hit. Take the hit. I took the hit there. We'll try it again. One more time. A second too short. One more time. Second too short here. So dumb. I'm going to try anyways, but I know I'm going to fail this.
Target filled.
Filled my target before I can move it. I'll take that anyways. Am I up? All my counts above 4K. Oh, fills a gap. I gotta just go short. I gotta just go short somewhere, I think. Darn it.
Target filled.
Whew! That was wacky. That was wacky. Wow, this bull bar just gets reversed. I mean, we pretty much made max today, right? I'm in payout city on like a couple of my accounts. Maybe I could take one more trade here. It's just getting really wacky right now. Another second entry short here. Possibly. Just be happy with my gains. 2K gains today. All my counts above 4K. Just be happy with my gains right now. I think the obvious answer is yes. I should be happy. I think I'll have to try anyways. I gotta try one more time. Golly, look at this bounce back up. We're taking some profits here, seems like. Lamazar says, Illy Panda, learning a lot here. The other traders don't do stop market flip entries. I'm not sure what that means, but I'm glad I do it. I don't know what it is, but I'm glad I'm doing it to help you. Feels like I just shorts my setup here or whatever. Don't fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. Of course, you miss it again. How many times can we miss it in a row? Infinite times, I guess. Feels like I just short here. Break of this trend line. Put it here. Quite a strong pushback down. Possibly a setup here to go long. Just trading range again. If it actually was on this trend line, I might have gone long there. Of course, very confusing. Second entry long now. Wacky. Gold is just like infinite channel right now. You need like 2 bull bars to really feel confident just to go long in gold. This looks bullish. I don't know what it looks like. It looks bullish to me a little bit. This chart has been untradeable for a while now. Like I said, I need gold to have 2 bull bars in a row to really just buy always and long. Otherwise, it's kind of doing this like grindy thing, and this the trading range is actually getting huge because it's so choppy. Let me try on this lower high. I hate the outside bar reversal though. Feels like I should be going long. Yeah, trading range. Diabolical one, in fact, but it's a trading range. Raise this to the top of the trading range. Can we break these pivots is the question. So many trading ranges inside trading ranges. That's what's difficult about this. Yeah, trading ranges inside trading ranges. Okay, pushing down. Ooh, 2 bull bars on gold. I may just go long here, pandas. Just watch. Second, just short on the 2500 tick chart. This looks like such a strong trading range. It's hard to say what's going to happen here. I should have ended this a long time ago, this stream, to be honest. I'm going to take the gold trade here. I may erase some of my gains, but I think it's worth the try on the gold trade. 2 bull bars in a row. 30 more seconds left. I prefer if it closes above this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 bull bars in a row. I may erase some gains here, but I think it's worth a try. I think bulls are eager to jump in here. They just need some confirmation to just let this fly. In my opinion. No risk trade. Let's just see how high it goes. Okay, bouncing off our trend line here. Probably hitting the top of the trading range in my opinion. Wow, this is strong resistance right here. So sick. It's like glitching out here. Majorly glitching right here. Give me my 2 hundo, please. I'll take my 2 hundo. I'm out. 180.
Target filled.
Wow, I should have held it. Okay, regardless, that's the max I can make today, 2,300. Oh, what a good day. What a good day. I mean, gold really popping off.
5
It
minute
was like
trap.
glitching out and it finally exploded. It was waiting for something, but it's regardless, I can't even make this much money because that's just way too much money. I'm trying to make 2,300 max on any account. So I already reached max here. I guess I could look for 3K. My plan is actually to be able to what is it? I kind of want to reach 10K. I kind of want to reach 10K and just withdraw anything above 10K. Like I feel comfortable above 10K. Like that's what I kind of want to do. Last trade of the stream, win or lose. Here we go. Overextended trap could be my demise. Looks like it will be. Ah, it's gonna get me. Trading range still here. Trading range still here.
Target filled. Target filled.
I'll make 3K, whatever. Easy peasy. I'll make my 3K real quick. Golly, pandas. $3,000. I mean, the bad part about making 3K is now I can only withdraw. So the highest I made today was 3,180. 3,180 divided by 0.3. I got to withdraw 10,600, which is fine. I mean, that's kind of the goal, right? That's kind of the goal. You want to be able to withdraw above 10K. So I got to get my accounts above 10K. They're all above 5K now. And now the journey is to get them to 10K. Remember, the goal right now is $1 million, pandas. We're trying to get to
5
$1 million.
minute trap.
So now the fact that we're in payout city, we can start swing trading. You know what I mean? We finally got something nice, and it took a long time, but I think after yesterday's debacle, that was just insane. So now we're up 3K, which is great, and I think we're gonna continue to strive to hit 10K before we start withdrawing money. My plan is to withdraw after anything above 10K, and if I get beneath 10K, then it's just I just hold on to it until I can get back above 10K. So like for me, every 8 trading days, whatever I have above 10K, I'll just keep withdrawing, and hopefully 10K is enough buffer for me to continue to just keep withdrawing from Apex. Hopefully, but we shall see. So I need to get my accounts up to like 10,000 or 12,075, I think. No, $12,750. Then I can do a max withdrawal, 12,750. It'll be the best case scenario is to be above 20K. Then I think my accounts will last like almost nearly forever. Like if I get my accounts up to 20K, like my accounts would last for a very long time. But we made some good bamboo today. Real good bamboo. MBT just dropping like a rock. Gold, that gold trade, look at this, just popped off like crazy. I mean, we were very patient today too, pandas. Very, very patient. We almost called everything. Right, we called the trading range, saying that this breakout was going to fail. It comes back into the trading range, took advantage of it, and started breaking down. I was like a little hesitant because like it looked really sketchy, so I thought it would come back up to the top of the trading range, but the gap beneath gets filled, and it's really nice for us. So I'll take it. Pandas! We absolutely got our bamboo today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. I will be back tomorrow. We'll be trading again tomorrow, same time. And yeah, hopefully we get some good price action. We got okay price action today. It was pretty diabolical, I'm not going to lie. But the nice thing is about it being diabolical, we were ready for it. We were ready for the fact that this price action was going to be crazy. And therefore, we were ready to take the correct trades and just stay out of the funny business. So, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. As always, happy trade. Bye.